In today's video, I'm going to teach you TradingView how to take partial profit. We'll walk through exactly how to scale out of an open position on TradingView so you can lock in gains while keeping some exposure if the move continues. This is perfect when you want to reduce risk and still let a portion of your trade run. Start by opening your chart in TradingView and make sure you're looking at the instrument where you actually have an active position. If you use multiple charts or watch lists, double check the symbol in the top left so you don't try to close the wrong asset. You'll also want to be connected to your broker or paper trading, since partial closes require an active position to appear. Next, open the trade panel, which usually sits at the bottom of the screen. If you don't see it, look for the trade panel tab along the bottom bar and expand it. Inside the panel, go to the Positions tab. This is where TradingView lists your live trades, including size, entry, and unrealized P&L. Find the position you want to reduce. On the far right side of that row, you'll notice a small close icon, typically NC. Click that. Don't worry, clicking the X opens a confirmation window. It doesn't instantly close your entire trade. In the confirmation window, enable the option that says Partial Close. This unlocks the fields you'll use to specify how much of the position you want to take off. It's a simple but powerful toggle, and it ensures you're not accidentally exiting everything. Now, choose the amount you want to close. Depending on your broker connection, you can set a quantity, contracts, lots, or sometimes a percentage of the position. Take a moment to verify the numbers, confirm the side, the instrument, and the portion you're closing so the remainder is exactly what you intend to keep. If you're scaling out in stages, consider using round numbers that make future adjustments easier. When everything looks correct, confirm by selecting Partially Closed Position. TradingView will send the order, and once it's filled, your position size will update to show what's left. Keep an eye on any attached stop loss or take profit orders. Depending on your broker, they may adjust with the reduced size, or you may need to review them afterward. Also remember that commissions, fees, and slippage can affect your realized result. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, head to the trade panel, locate your position, click the close icon, check partial close, choose the amount, and confirm. With a few clicks, you can lock in profits while staying in the trade with a smaller, more comfortable position.